air filter on this 2011 Jeep Patriot. This is a quick overview. First, you want to take this off. You just turn these. That pull this off. Then you have a set of 8mm screws. 8mm bolts. Take out 1, 2, 3. That's a 10. That's 4 back there. 5 back there. And that's 6. Do not take these loose. Do not take these loose. Lift it up, flip it off. All right, I'm gonna cut you off and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Get back to y'all. Remove this. Turn these. All right, you might see the battery loose. I ain't sure it's in the other video, but the batteries are loose. Bag, recently changed the coil pack, spot plugs. All right, so now I'm gonna take loose the screws on here. Don't forget 10, and these little ones are 8. And do not disconnect these. Do not disconnect. All right, I ain't got no mount on none of the holes. I'm gonna try to do my best with one hand. So boom, 10mm socket. All right, now I'm gonna take out the rest of the 8mm with the impact wrench. Got the ones in the back. These two, this one and this one, I took out by hand because I needed both hands. All right, so get to it, and then I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. All right, got all the screws out and got the new air filter. So make sure do not unplug these. Flip it up. Open it up, set it to the side. All right. The old filter off. Yeah, you got all this stuff down there. I ain't got no vacuum to clean it out, so make sure you do your best. Clean out what you can. All right. Take the new one. It's only going one way. Put it down. Push it on firmly. All right. Top back on. All right. I'm gonna put the screws back in it. And then I cut that back on when it's done. All right, YouTube, got all the bolts put in. And another thing I was thinking about afterwards, all the 8mm bolts, all of them are the same size. And these two right here are different. They're the same size, they both are 10s. But this one is black, this one is like a grayish or silver color. I don't know if it's like it on all models, but the shortest one goes on this side right here. And once again, this is how you change the air filter on 2011 Jeep Patriot. Hope this helped y'all out.